OFM Sport.
This week, we want to play for the people of the Ikapa mine in Kimberley who lost their jobs last week. So the Ikapa mine got liquidated, and more than 1,000 families in Kimberley. Now, Kimberley is not a big place, and if 1,000 families in Kimberley all of a sudden lose their jobs, it's got a massive impact in the town, in the economy. People have to pay rent, they have to have mortgages, they have to pay their cars, they have to buy food for their children, their animals. Kimberley is really going through a difficult time with the mine closing, and we really want, as a team, we want to show our support for those people. There'll be an auction from the team side this week where we auction off a Currie Cup final jersey and some other memorabilia. All proceeds will go to a fund that people in town is taken care of. Free entry at the game will be for employees of the Ikapa mine who's lost their jobs. They worked the whole of February and they didn't even get a salary for February. The town's really going through a difficult time, and we really want to use this occasion. As Albert said, that some of our biggest supporters are going through a tough time, and if we can, from the team side, just put a smile on their face, even if it's for 80 minutes, that's big motivation for us this week, and we want to show that we all the way we support Kimberley. They always support us, and we want to be here this week for them.